Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook professional mode option not showing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to follow is to open Facebook application, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the top right, and then you need to click on your name and click on three dots, and here you can see that there is no option that is professional mode. So then you need to go back and go into your smartphone settings, and then you need to go into the app management, and here you need to go into the app list, and here you need to search for the Facebook, and then you need to click on storage and cache. And the first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage as well. So once you complete that step, you simply need to go into the permissions and allow all permissions. So let me do that. So you can see that I am allowing all the permissions. Okay, so once that step is completed, then you need to go into the Play Store and search for the Facebook, and you need to update your Facebook application. As you can see that my Facebook is up to date. Once you update, you simply need to log in into your Facebook account and your issue will be resolved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.